Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between Replit and Lovable, two AI-powered tools that promise to help you create apps faster than ever. Now, if you are a developer, a startup founder, or someone with zero coding experience who just wants to bring an idea to life, then this video is for you. By the end of this comparison, you know exactly which AI app creating tool is best for your needs, and whether either of these platforms is even right for you in the first place. So let's get started. With Replit. Replit is a cloud-based development platform that allows you to write, run, and deploy code entirely from your browser. There's no need to install software, configure environments, or set up servers manually. What makes Replit stand out today is how it combines a full coding environment with AI assistance. You're not just prompting AI to build something for you, you're actively coding, editing, debugging, and deploying real applications, with AI acting as a smart assistant throughout the process. Replit supports dozens of programming languages, offers built-in hosting, databases, collaboration tools, and version control. Over time, it has evolved from a learning platform into a serious, production-ready development environment. In short, Replit is designed for people who want control, flexibility, and scalability, whether you're learning to code or building professional software. How about Lovable? Lovable, on the other hand, takes a much more AI-first and beginner-friendly approach. Lovable focuses on what many people now call vibe coding. So instead of writing code manually, you describe what you want to build using natural language, and the AI generates the application for you. You tell Lovable things like, I want a landing page with a sign-up form and authentication, and it builds it. Lovable automatically handles things like front-end layout, back-end logic, and even database connections. It allows you to preview your app live and export the code if you want to continue development elsewhere. So while Replit feels like a developer's workshop, Lovable feels like a product idea machine built for speed, simplicity, and idea validation. So let us talk about the main features of each of these platforms. We start with Replit. As we move into features, here's what Replit brings to the table. A full browser-based IDE with no setup required. It supports over 50 programming languages. It has AI tools that help with code generation, debugging, refactoring, and explaining code. There's real-time collaborative coding similar to Google Docs but for software. And there's built-in deployment and hosting. Also GitHub integration and version control, as well as databases and backend services that are included. All these make Replit suitable for learning, for building, testing, and scaling apps all in one place. How about Lovable? Lovable's features are more focused on speed and simplicity. You can build apps using plain English prompts, real-time app previews as the AI generates code, visual editing tools for UI and layouts, built-in backend powered by managed databases and authentication, one-click deployment, and you can export your project to GitHub if you want to take control later. Lovable is clearly designed for non-technical users, founders, designers, and teams who want to move from idea to MVP as fast as possible. So what is the pricing like? For Replit, it has a tiered model. There's a starter plan which is free. You can build anything there. Of course, it's limited as to how much you can publish and how much credits you have. There's the Replit Core at $20 per month when billed annually. There's a Teams plan at $35 per user per month when billed annually. And the Enterprise plan where you contact Replit for a custom-made pricing. And for Lovable, there's also a free plan, $0 per month, no credit card needed. There's a Pro plan at $25 per month, a business plan at $50 per month, and an enterprise plan as well, where you can get flexible payments and plans. If you decide to pay on an annual basis, you save some money. After considering the pricing, let's talk about the pros and cons. What are the pros and cons of using Replit and Lovable? The pros: for Replit, you have full control over your code. The environment is production ready. They have strong collaboration features and it scales well for complex projects. It's also suitable for beginners and professionals. And the pros of Lovable? Extremely fast application creation, and no coding is required. It's also perfect for MVPs and prototypes. It has easy export options. How about the cons? For Replit, there's a steeper learning curve for non-developers, and the credit-based AI pricing can definitely add up. And the cons for Lovable? There's limited flexibility for complex logic, and heavy AI usage can also become expensive as well. It's also not ideal for large-scale production applications. So having considered all this, which one is actually better? Well, the honest answer is it depends on who you are and what you're building. So you can choose Replit if you want full control over your application, if you're comfortable with coding or you want to learn, at least you can understand a little bit of code, if you're building something that needs to scale, and if collaboration and long-term maintenance really matter to you. On the other hand, you can choose Lovable if you want to validate ideas quickly, if you're building an MVP or a demo or a prototype, and if you don't want to write code at all, then you can use Lovable. Of course, neither tool is objectively better. They just serve different creators. So that's it on the review and comparison of Replit and Lovable. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Glide, Software, and the Microsoft Power Apps. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.